I think we need to lace this track about the evil that women do, you know what I mean? People don't be really knowing how ladies get down with the evils.
Yeah, but it's the evil that women do.
How we lace this, what? How we lace this, what? How we lace this, what? How we lace this. It's the evil women do. Yo, it's the evil women do. Yo, it's the evil women do. Hey yo, it's on you, J-Boo. What?
Evil lurks in many forms, many fashions. Money stashing, car crashing, women's passions. Mind tricks are a woman's favorite game. Inflict pain to break the brain, keep her insane. It's the forces that be that make me wanna see what evil that I can do to evil. Let me see, should I creep around with his mans? Out of town trips, night flights to Japan. Living plush, living up style that I must indulge just to get a head rush. I blush, but it's the evil that intrigues me to be the demon that you see inside of me. The evil mind combined with the right time. My zodiac's the Capricorn evil sign. Never mind what you heard, cause you know why. It's the evil that's inside. The evil women do keep your mind on the rise. Full of surprise, spite the lie after lie. Jealousy wolves and commands us to connive. The evil that we do is the evil that's inside.
Had to smother my lover. Don't ask why, I caught him out there on the deep cover, trying to be fly. Couldn't believe my eyes, just with him. With the coaches, macadocious, I sit him and forget him. Cause brother, he looks so damn good, but his brain is not ready. I don't know, I'd rather hit him and forget him, you know. Live off without a worry.
Sending this one out to my man Killer B. No. such thing as halfway crooks. Scared to death and scared to look, they shook. Cause ain't no such thing as halfway crooks. Hey yo, what up?
Japan, living plush, living the style that I must indulge just to get a head rush. I blush, but it's the evil that intrigues me to be the demon that you see inside of me. The evil mind combined with the right time. My zodiac's the Capricorn evil sign. Never mind what you heard, cause you know why. It's the evil that's inside.